Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, in last lecture we did question number 7, 8 and 9 from exercise 7.7 from chapter number 7 straight line of your book. Now only two questions are left in this exercise, question number 10 and question number 11. Today we are going to finish both questions. These questions are very important, very interesting and very easy as well. But I suggest those students who are watching my lectures first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder Add Math where you can watch previous lectures. And if you watch previous lecture, you will have good command on this topic. So let's start question number 10. So question number 10, you can see on the screen x, y, x is 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.7, 0 0.9 and y is 36, 12, 9, 6, 4.5. The question is, the table shows experimental values of the variables x and y. The variables are known to be related by the equation y is equals to a upon x plus b, where a and b are constants. Draw the graph of y against xy. So for part A, first we have to make the table. Table of xy, xy, xy means we have to multiply both the values of x and y of the table which is given in the question. So 0.2 multiplied by 0.36 is 7.2. 12 multiplied by 0.4 is 4.8. 9 multiplied by 0.5 is 4.5. 6 multiplied by 0.7 is 4.2. And 4.5 multiplied by 4.0, 4.5 multiplied by 0.9 is 4.05. So xy values we have obtained with the help of table 7.2, 4.8, 4.5, 4.2 and 4.05. And the values of y according to the question remains y 36, 12, 9, 6, 4.5. Now it's a time to draw the graph. So first we have to draw x and y axis. Now draw x-axis. So this is x-axis where we have to plot xy points, and this is y-axis where we have to plot y values, and this is origin where the values of x and y are 0. Now the maximum value of x, y is 7.2. So if I take 2 point is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the maximum value of y is 36. So 3, if I take 1 square is 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Now plot first point 7.2 and 36. So this is 7, this is 7.5, so 36. So after just right side of 36 is 7.2. This is the first point. Second is 4.8 and 12. 4.5 and 12. 4.8 is just over here. This is 4.8 and 12. Next 4.5 and 9. 4.5 this one, and this is 8. This is 9. 4.2 and 6. So 4, 4 and 6. 4.2, this should be over here. Next 4.05 and 4.5. So 4.05 and 4.5. So this point should be over here. Now join all the points with the help of scale. Join all the points. Here we go. This is our straight line, and this is part A. Come to part B. Use your graph to estimate the value of A and the value of B. So first we have to take the equation which is given in the question. Y is equals to A upon x plus B. Shift this x plus B on other side. I am doing remaining work over here. Y into x is xy. Y into B is by is equals to A, or you can write by is equals to minus xy plus A, or we can write y is equals to minus 1 upon B xy plus A upon B. Now if we compare this equation by the general equation of a straight line, y is equals to m x plus c. So m represent gradient represent minus 1 upon b and y-intercept represents a upon b. So first we have to find the gradient. How to find the gradient? We take 2 points from our graph of from our table which we plotted for graph. So our table is xy against y. So I am taking 2 points. One is 7.2 and 36 and second is 4.05 and 4.5. So gradient is m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 4.5 minus 36 is minus 31.5 and 4.05 minus 7.2 is minus 3.15 and minus cancel by minus, answer is 10. Now what is actually b? Sorry, what is m? M is minus 1 upon b. So we obtain m is 10. 10 is equals to minus 1 upon b. Therefore b should be minus 1 upon 10, which is equals to minus 0.1. So this is the value of b. Now it's a time to find the value of a. We have to find the y-intercept first. In order to find y-intercept, we have to extend our straight line, should be the dotted line, and now extend y-axis. Extend y-axis. Now read this value carefully. So we take 1 square is 4 on y-axis. So it should be 4, 8, 12, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36. So this is minus 36. This value of on x-axis is y-axis is minus 36. So y-intercept is c, we obtained from the graph, is minus 36. But what actually c-intercept is a upon b. A upon b is equals to minus 36. Kindly wait. Yes. What is a? What is b? We have find previously. B is minus 0.1 is equals to minus 36. Therefore, a is equals to minus 36 into minus 0.1 minus minus plus 36 into 0.1 is 3.6. Hence, the value of a is 3.6 and the value of b is minus 0.1. Hope you completely understand. Okay. Come to last part. Look at C part on the screen. Without drawing a second graph, estimate the gradient and the intercept. Read after part B. An alternate method for obtaining a straight line graph for the equation y is equals to a upon x plus b is to plot x on the vertical axis and 1 upon y on the horizontal axis. Without drawing a second graph, estimate the gradient and the intercept on the vertical axis of this graph. Very easy. First, we have to write the equation again. Y is equals to a upon x plus b. This is part C. Y is equals to a upon x plus b. Now multiply x plus b y into x plus b is equals to a, then x plus b, this y should be divided over here, a upon y, then x is equals to a upon y can be write 1 upon a into 1 upon y, and b should be subtract over here. So if we compare this equation by general equation mx plus c, mx plus c, you can say m is a. M is gradient, which is a. A we have already find, which is 3.6. And if you compare c, which is equals to minus b, minus and b is minus 0.1, minus minus plus 0.1. So you can say, without the graph, you can say answer, final answer, without graph, gradient is equals to a, which is 3.6, and intercept is equals to 0.1. This is our final answer. I repeat this part again. According to question, the requirement is, if we draw the graph of x on y-axis and 1 upon y on x-axis, then what should be the values of gradient and y-intercept? So first we took the equation y is equals to a upon x plus b and write the equation according to the requirement, so that x represent y-axis and 1 upon y represent x-axis. And this is the working you can see on the screen. I want to show the summary of the question. Here we go. This is the summary, total summary, part A, B and C. Now move to question number 11. This is question number 11. The table shows experimental values of the variables x and y. X are 2, 5, 15, 25, 60. Y are 11.5, 5.54, 2.3, 1.53, 0.76. Part A. Draw the graph of ln y against ln x. So first we have to make the table. Write the values of ln x. Find ln 2, 0.7, ln 5, 1.6, rounding off, ln 15, 2.7, ln 25 is 3.2, ln 60 is 4.1. Now find ln y. ln 11.5 is 2.4. Use the calculator. ln 5.54 is 1.7. ln ln 2.3 is 0.8. ln 1.53 is 0.4. ln 0.76 is minus 0.3. So this is our table. Now draw the graph of this table. Draw the x-axis. So on x-axis we have to plot ln x, and on y-axis we have to plot ln y, and this is 0 origin. So maximum value of ln x is 4.1. So I am taking 4 square is 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And on y-axis the maximum value is 2.4. So here also I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is minus 1. So first value is 0.7 and 2.4. 0.5 and 2.5, 2.4. This point should be accurate. Second is 1.6 and 1.7. 1.5, 1.5, 1.7. 1.7 should be over here, and 1.6. This point should be accurate. The third one is 2.7 and 0.8. 2.5 and 0.5, 0.8 and 2.7. This point should be. The next one is 3.2, 0.4. 3.5, and 0.5, 3.4, 3.2 is 0.4. This one. And the last one is 4.1 and minus 0.3. So 4.5 and minus 4.5, and this is 4 point, this should be minus 0.3. Now join all the points. Join all the points. This is part A. This is your graph. The next part, part B, is express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x means we have to write the straight line equation y is equals to m x plus c. So first we have to find the value of gradient. I am taking for gradient 0.7 and 2.4 from our table, and minus 0.3 and 4.1. So m is equals to 4.1 minus 2.4 upon minus 0.3 minus 0.7 is equals to there is a mistake. I wrote x values and y value. .7 and 2.4, sorry, it was my mistake, 4.1 and minus 0.3. So the formula of the gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is 100% correct. Minus 2.7 and 4.1 minus 0.7 is 3.4. And by calculator we will get the answer minus 0.8. Minus 0.8. Next, now we have to find the y-intercept. How to find y-intercept? Just extend your line. One method is extend your line, or other method is write down the equation y is equals to m x plus c. Y is equals to, what is m? Minus 0.8 x. What is c? We don't know. Satisfy any point by this equation, you will get the value of c. So if I satisfied by 0.7 and 2.4, it will be 2.4 is equals to minus 0.8 into x, which is 0.7 plus c. So 2.4 is equals to 0.8 0.56 minus plus c. 2.4 plus 0.56 is equals to c. Then c is equals to 2.96. Two point 96. Now our equation is y is equals to minus 0.8 x and c is 2.96. But y actually was ln y, x actually what? ln x. Okay, so this c, kindly wait. Yes, so this is 3. Now we have to make the y as a subject. So ln y, I just rounded off 2.9623. ln y is equals to ln x to the power minus 0.8 plus this is 3. 3 can be right. ln e both cancel each other. Therefore, there is no effect of writing ln e. Now ln y is equals to addition can be converted into multiplication. Ln x minus 0.8 plus this 3 can be right after the log. Okay, I am doing again, otherwise you will get confused. Ln x minus 0.8, this 3 can be right after the log. Now ln y is equals to addition can be right into multiplication. Ln and ln cancel. Y is equals to e power 3 into x to the power minus 0.8. This is our final answer. This is the requirement. What was the requirement? Express y in terms of x. So y is equals to e cube into x to the power minus 0.8. Come to part C. What is part C? An alternate method for obtaining the relationship between x and y is to plot log y on the vertical axis and log x on the horizontal axis. Without drawing a second graph, find the gradient and the intercept on the vertical axis on this graph. So first we have to take our equation, which is y is equals to e power 3 into x power minus 0.8. Now take log on both sides. Log y is equals to log e3 into x power minus 0.8. Now log e3, this multiplication can be converted into addition. Log x minus 0.8 0.8 log e3, power can be write before the log, minus 0.8 log x, log y is equals to minus 0.8 log x plus log e3. And if we compare this equation by y is equals to mx plus c, this implies that m gradient is minus 0.8 and y intercept c is log e power 3. Answer in the book of y-intercept is wrong. So gradient is equals to minus 0.8 and intercept is equals to e log e3, because log and e cannot cancel to each other, but ln and e cancel to each other. Answer in the book is 3, intercept is 3, which is impossible, wrong. So intercept should be log e3. This is very interesting questions. Both questions, question number 10 and 11, are very interesting and conceptual. I want to show the summary. Try to show in a single step the whole question. Yes, this one. So hope you enjoy today's class. What is left in this exercise? Nothing. Nothing is left. Two great work, major work has done today. One is we have finished a very important exercise, exercise 7.7, and the second major work is we are fully successful to finish the whole chapter. We did each and every question of all exercises, each and every part. Nothing is left in this whole chapter. So I challenge you and proudly say that there is no channel in YouTube where you can watch each and every question, each and every exercise. What is next? We are going to start in next class another interesting and a very important chapter, chapter number 8. What is the name of the chapter? You can see circular measure. Some students ask me to start chapter 5 first. Chapter 5 is also very easy, but as compared to chapter 5, these chapters are more important. So first we have to do more important chapters, then we will do remaining chapters. So circular measure, very interesting, very easy and very small chapter. So within 4 to 5 classes we will finish the whole chapter, chapter number 7. So student, this is our today's class. I hope you completely understand the whole class, the whole chapter, the whole exercise. But if you feel any problem in any one of the chapters, previous chapter or this chapter, kindly ask me. Write in comment box. I will help you. How can you help me? You can help me by two things. One is subscribe my channel, and other is to share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.